So the Chinese giant Alibaba just released a new AI model called Qwen-MT, which was designed to be really good at translation. Now, this model, Qwen-MT, was actually based on the powerful Qwen-3 model, which was released a few months ago. And Qwen-3 is known to be excellent at coding. It is also able to answer complex questions. It is free and also open source. However, Qwen-MT is not open source, and there are only two ways to access this model or to use this model for translation. And I'll talk about that later, but for now, what you need to know about Qwen-MT or Qwen-MT Turbo is that this model now supports 92 languages. It is also getting faster and it is very affordable. It is only costing like $0.16 per 1 million token input token. So it's very affordable compared to bigger models like Gemini or GPT 4.1. And yet, according to the benchmark, Qwen-MT Turbo scores similarly to some bigger models like GPT 4.1 and Gemini 2.5 Pro. And remember, it is being cheaper and much faster than any of these models. So that's one key advantage of using Qwen-MT for your translation project. Now then, how and where you can use this model to translate words or maybe document? Well, if you're a developer, then you can actually navigate to the Alibaba Console Cloud. So this is the price. You can see the spec of this model much better, much more detailed. But if you're not a developer and you just want to use it for some casual translation, then you can actually use the free demo via Hugging Face, and I'll leave the links in the video description. So this is the demo that was provided by Qwen for the Qwen-3MT demo. This is actually not giving you flexibility so that you can only just translate some paragraphs into another paragraph. There is no option to upload document, but again, it is, okay for casual or some quick translation. So let me try maybe translating this section of the article, and let's paste that to this area. And then you're gonna select the source language, but in this case, I'll just select auto detect, which is automatically detecting what was the language in the input text. And then I'll select the target to be, let's say, Japanese, and click translate. And in about 2 seconds, you will see the result. So it's really fast compared to ChatGPT or Gemini, and feel free to use it, because I cannot say if this model is any better than some other AI models out there, because at the end of the day, sometimes language is actually about culture. So sometimes the answer from one person to another could be different. For example, this person says he's impressed with the work of Qwen-3MT, but there is also another person that says it is good, but it is not quite as good than some other translator tools. So I do encourage you guys to actually use this model, use the demo, and see whether or not this could be the tool that you could use every day for translation. So that's basically everything you need to know about Qwen-MT and where you can use it for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.